Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be going over how to find a lost phone using your Gmail account on the Gmail website. So, the first thing that you want to do is on the Gmail website, you want to head over to your Gmail account in the top right and select Manage Your Gmail Account. Once you've done that, you want to head over to the Privacy tab. You then want to scroll all the way down until you've reached the Your Devices section. You then want to select Find a Lost Device. After you've selected Find a Lost Device, you'll see all the devices connected to your account, so just select the one you're looking for. You'll then be taken to a live location feed of where that phone is, and you'll have access to a couple of settings that you can use to recover your phone and find it. I hope that this video helped you out in locating your device. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.